Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Alice George.
Hi Alice, I'm Ryan.
Sorry I'm really late.
That's okay, that's okay. Welcome to Learn FDS. Sorry, there was a bit of confusion. You told me to come to your address to pick you up.
Yeah.
I was waiting there for 20 minutes trying to call you.
Yeah.
You didn't answer, and then I got a message from you saying come to the test centre, which wasn't agreed. So it's it's 45 minutes late for the lesson.
Yeah. God, I just can't believe I'm this late. I don't know. But I can pay you. I'll still pay you for the hour. We can do for 15 minutes, but I'll still pay you. We can still do it.
Yeah, I can't give you a proper lesson in 15 minutes.
No, that's fine. I'll still pay you.
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm here like this.
Yeah, why did you say to go to your house and then come here? I don't
know. So I just stormed out of the house. Then I was just angry. I stormed out of the house and.
You stormed out your house.
I didn't realise it was this late.
Well, it's a long way from your house to the testing centre.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and then you didn't answer your phone. And
no, I was just really angry.
Okay.
I can't believe we're running late, but I'll pay you for the extra. I'll pay you for the whole hour, and we'll do 15 minutes, and
well, that's not really worth your while. I mean, there's not a lot. It's our first lesson. There's nothing. There's not a lot I can do in 15 minutes. I'm going to go and play some badminton.
Oh wow!
Badminton,
nice.
Yeah, it's a good sport. It's people underestimate it, but badminton. Yeah.
Yeah, my mum plays badminton.
It's actually quite a manly sport.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, it's super good for cardio.
Yeah.
Keeps the heart rate going. So, anyway, that's by the by. Yeah. Okay. Let's sort out the diary. Okay.
Let's do it.
2 seconds. All right. So see you next time. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So, when's your badminton lesson today?
Oh, the badminton?
Yeah.
Oh, just after my next student, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
so like in an hour and, I don't know, 5 minutes.
Okay, well, did you know what else is good for cardio? That I read in my little girly magazine.
Yeah, like running and football and...
No, something more intimate, Would you want me to spell it out for you?
Yeah.
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 Me and you bouncing up at each other, really playing with my big tits. And me bouncing on that big cock.
You want to do that?
Yeah. But I owe you a favour.
I mean, you don't have to do that. But...
Me and my boyfriend's really lazy in the bedroom, fucking off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you want, I mean...
Yeah.
Я знову в клубі, навколо вогні, але думки мої тільки про тіні. У келиху віскі шукаю тепло, та все даремно, тебе вже нема давно. Музика грає, я втрачаю контроль.